The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Bergen County in northeastern New Jersey, northern Westchester County in southeastern New York, Rockland County in southeastern New York, until 10:30 p.m. At 9:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Suffern, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Monzie around 9:50 p.m. Nanuet and Pomona around 9:55 p.m. New City and Pearl River around 10 p.m. Haverstraw and Orangeburg around 10:05 p.m. Nyack and Upper Nyack around 10:10 p.m. Osney around 10:15 p.m. Tarrytown around 10:20 p.m. Hawthorne around 10:25 p.m. Mount Kisco and Yorktown Heights around 10:30 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm